Hi everybody, today I have a quick tutorial on how to add nodes to a Desmos graph. Let's graph f of x equals 4 sine of x plus 3. And let's say in this graph we would like to add two nodes. We would like to add a node about the amplitude and add a node about the midline. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is show the midline. So I'm going to show y equals 3. And I'm going to change that to a dashed line by going to the settings, clicking on the color, and then going to a dashed line. You could do dash or dots. Let's do dots. Now I want to say that this is the midline. Now if I just start typing midline, Desmos tries to put in sliders for all of the letters because it thinks we're adding variables, and that's not what we want to do. You can leave the note in there that way, but if you don't like the way it looks with the exclamation point, then let's talk about how to fix it. So we have two choices of how to fix this. One way is to hit the plus sign and say we're adding a note, and then we can type midline, y equals 3. The other choice is to go to a line, hit your quotation, and then you can type midline, y equals 3. Both options give you the same thing. It's either hit the plus sign or just hit your quotation marks. Let's add our amplitude as well. So here's my quotation, amplitude, a equals 4. If I decided I wanted to talk about the period, so here's a quote and then period. The period of this particular graph is 2 pi. Now when I type in 2 and then pi, the pi doesn't turn into the symbol because it's in a note. So it's not using all those shortcut keys that it does normally when we're doing math. Watch in another line, if I type 2 pi, the pi symbol immediately comes over. It's okay to leave the pi just as it is. But if you really wanted to put in the symbol, you could use some shortcut keys. The shortcut keys are going to be different whether you're using Windows or a Mac. On Windows, you push Alt and then 227 on the number pad. Then in a Mac, you pick Options and P. Those will convert into the pi symbol if you really want that in your note. But if not, it's okay just to write PI. It's completely understood that the symbol and the word are the same thing.